What if I told you one of the greatest 600cc sport bikes ever made is the Honda CBR600RR? The Honda CBR600R was first introduced in 2003 and quickly became one of the world's most respected supersport motorcycles. With an estimated over 250,000 units sold, the CBR6 powered by a 599cc 4 engine producing around 120 horsepower, delivering incredible acceleration and razor-sharp handling. Its race-inspired technology, legendary reliability, and track-ready performance, the CBR600R are a favorite among